don't even want to do this goddamn video. Jimmy! Say you did it again! I broke my phone, that's why I'm late! Jimmy! What you do? Did I tell you not to mess with the party? Huh? I tell you bust my gun! Cause of you! Well, I'm glad the nightmare's over with. For you, I hope San Francisco make the right move and put Trey in. Cause if you don't, you know what it is. Let's get to the film. I only got 2 clips for you. Bye!
He's been outstanding all year long. 3rd down and 7 over the middle. Kittle.
God damn! Wide open! Wide open! Look at your funky ass! Look at your ass! He wide open! Ain't nobody by you! Jimmy, look at that! Look at you! Look at you! I knew it from this play right here. We had trouble. Right there. Bam! No, you couldn't hit it. Your ass! Out of here with this shit! I'm telling you! Bye! Let's look at your last drive of what you did! Bye!
Garoppolo under pressure. Donald.
Look at your ass! Look at your ass! Look at your ass! That reminds me of the Super Bowl again! Cause you scary! Bye, scary Jimmy! Bye!
Aaron Donald with
I hope you're gone! Bye! Scary Jimmy! Scary Jimmy! Hold on, Jesus, we're gonna have Jimmy. Hold on, I'm just gonna throw it away.
Just trying
Damn.
to get rid of the ball. And hoping
Look
not
at your
to take
ass.
a sack and go backwards any further.
Bye,
than we
Jimmy.
had.
Bye. We ain't never had to deal with it again. That reminded me of the Super Bowl, didn't it? But, you know what? I ain't even mad about it. I done got my stress over with. It's over. The nightmare's over with. I hope we don't have to deal with you anymore. Other than that, man, Tukowski Tart, boy, what was you doing? Defense, y'all played pretty good, but you was making ball-head plays. Shanahan, your play calling, bruh. Once again, it came back to bite us. You on the chopping block too. I swear to God you is. I should have. Yeah! I ain't enough! Thank God it's over with. Alright!